Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet. This is a true 138 Super Sport car. It's got 5,000 miles on a frame-off restoration. Really nicely done car, guys. It's finished. This is the original color combination, which is Ermine white with the red vinyl interior. It's got a 67 date-coated engine that's actually built to 375 horse specs. It's got a Borg-Warner Super T10 4-speed manual transmission, disc brakes. It's got brand new 18 and 20-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels with all new rubber. Very nice car. And again, this is a true 138 Super Sport car. We bought this car to show down in North Carolina. And like I say, just really nicely done. The gentleman said the restoration is actually about 7 years old, but he said they really didn't drive it a whole lot. You can see it's got a little patina there in the bumper. It's got a super cool option, which is a blinker tach. Matter of fact, if you talk to Leroy, he'll tell you he thinks that's one of his favorite options on any old car. Dash is really nice in there. I love the color combo. I am a sucker for red interior. I love that. Trim on the car is very nice. Laser straight down the sides. Again, all new rubber. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. And you can see a little wear there on the bumper. They've added front disc brakes, which is a nice add. Again, it's a 67 date-coated 396. He said it's built to 375 horse specs. You can see it's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, front disc brakes, HEI distributor. It's got a aluminum radiator. They put all the March aluminum pulleys and brackets on it. Borg-Warner 4-speed manual transmission. Nice car. Bunch of new stuff to come, guys, too. Make sure you're watching that website. We've probably got about 8 cars done today, and we've been really hurting to try to get some cars advertised. We've just been fighting the weather. Springtime in Michigan, I mean, you can there's still a ton of snow out here, and the last 2 weeks have been rough. A-pillar chrome's nice, mirror's nice. Definitely they've replaced those. It's got new door rubbers, new window fuzzies. I love this red interior. Factory bench seat. It's got all the Fischer Body seat belts in it. Stock SS steering wheel. Yeah, it's got that blinker tach. 54,820 on the odometer. Stock AM radio. Again, it's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt rear end. Pretty much a stock gear, 323. Sorry, man. For some reason, the camera just doesn't want. It's all spackle painted in the trunk, like it should be. It's very nice underneath. 12-bolt rear end. It's got the rear sway bar. Yeah, I dig this car, man. It's got a good sound too. When Jay fires it up, man, this thing sounds good. Aftermarket gauges. Nice little cam to it. Blinker tach does work. Pretty cool. Gauges down there working, Jay?
Yep.
Looks like it. Parking brake?
Yep.
Parking brake does work, guys. Oh, that's a nice car. No on the radio.
I didn't get anything coming out. No.
Blower motor?
Yeah.
Blower motor does work, guys. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Facebook is another great way to keep in touch with us. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a bad ride right there, man. Have a great day, guys.